In this video, I'll show you how to transfer BNB from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click onto this send option. Now in here, you just need to first head over and buy some crypto. So click onto this buy crypto, click onto the search option and search in here for BNB. So we already have in your BNB, head over and click on that. Then from in there, just input right here the amount that you want to use and then click onto this credit card option. You can either pay with credit card or other providers like Google Pay, digital wallet, and bank transfer. So input right here which one you want to use, and after that, click onto this buy with credit card, and it will connect with that provider. So for example, you already bought your BNB. Next thing you need to do is you just head over and click on send, and then input your actual crypto that you want to send, and then just paste their address or BNB address from there in order to send BNB to them.